Where or how to hide your money when you travel. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll have another episode of Tiny Travel Tips and Tricks video, and I'll talk about where to hide your money when you travel. So different people have different approach hiding money. Some people like to hide money in their social, on top of the or inside the social, and then some people hide money in I would say in between books, or they're diversion shaving can, or diversion chapstick, deodorant, and you can buy also diversion hairbrush. So there are lots of a variety of things you can do to hide money, and usually they work fine, but the way I like, or my best preferred way, is to hide money in a belt like this while you travel. So this looks like an ordinary belt. There's nothing special about it. One big advantage about this belt is that this is made of totally fabric and plastic, so you don't have to even take it off when you are going through the airport security. But the secret of this belt is that it has a hidden money chamber, which you can see right here. And usually I hide my money right here. This is kind of security money. I can have here like $50 to $100 usually. So I still have some money here from my last Morocco trip, which I never get to use it because I was I didn't get it emergency or anything. But let me show you how it works. So here's, you can see that there's a zipper, and if you just pull it out, then you can see that there's a place for money you can stack. And here you can see that I have some money here. So I'm just going to quickly count how much I have from my last Morocco trip. So I can see there's $20 here, and I can see there's another $10 here, and I think that's all I have here. Sometimes I have close to $100, sometimes I have $20, $30. And the thing is, you can use this as your everyday regular belt, and also this is a very good place to hide money. So this is my recommended method to hide money or some emergency cash when you travel. And also you don't have to take it out going through the airport. That's another big advantage. Plus, the other thing I'd like to mention, that there are many cheap brands offering the same product, but don't buy anything cheap because they're not going to work properly. So buy a good brand like Eagle Creek or other named brand, which usually their products are very good. For example, I've been using this for I don't know how many years, probably 10 years, and I had never any issues or nothing. And I've been using it for many trips, and this is the preferred method to hide money when you travel. And another bonus tip I'd like to give, that do not keep all your money at the same place. So just spread out your money here and there, and always keep your money in somewhere safe. For example, a travel belt, or a hairbrush, or chapstick, deodorant, diversion shaving foam can, just for emergency. So for the next travel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.